Within a couple of years, the entry-level enthusiast bike segment has grown leaps and bounds, and now customers are spoiled for choice when it comes to performance machines that are affordable. Last week we did a video on the bikes that are under rupees 2 lakh, and today we're bumping up that price point to rupees 3 lakh to look at the top 5 motorcycles that are available for that price. Starting at number 1 is the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Now the Interceptor takes the top spot here because it's the most amazing bike you can get for under rupees 3 lakh. At a price of rupees 2.9 lakh ex-showroom, the bike features a 648cc twin-cylinder engine capable of producing 47 brake horsepower and 52 Nm of torque. It's a beautiful looking machine, and even the quality is top-notch for the segment. At a weight of 202 kilograms, the Interceptor is a very manageable first big bike to own, and it's great for all riding styles. Coming in at number 2 is the KTM 390 Duke. The KTM 390 Duke is without a doubt the best entry bike to the world of high performance. With a price tag of rupees 2.8 lakh ex-showroom, the Duke features KTM's tried and tested 373cc single pot that pumps out a massive 42.9 brake horsepower and 37 Nm of torque. And what makes the bike even more fun is the fact that it only weighs 150 kilograms, which allows for fantastic acceleration and handling. While it's not the most practical machine, the 390 Duke also comes loaded with wonderful features, and it's certainly one of the best performance bikes at this price point. Coming in at number 3 is our favorite bike of the lot. This is the Apache RR310. The RR310 is a brilliant sports tourer, and we have done plenty of long distance touring on this machine. The bike is comfortable, has great features, and a wonderful 312cc single-cylinder engine producing 33 brake horsepower and 27.3 Nm of torque. It's also fairly light at just 174 kilograms. The Apache RR310 is the best fully fared sports machine you can get in the market, and it also looks amazing. At a price of rupees 2.6 lakh ex-showroom, it is definitely one of the best entry-level sports bikes in India. Taking the number 4 position is the Bajaj Dominar 400. The Dominar 400 is the baby brother of the Duke 390, but it's a much more practical option and offers great handling and performance as well. At just rupees 2.1 lakh ex-showroom, the Dominar offers great value for money. It features a 373cc single pot that delivers 39.4 brake horsepower and 35 Nm of torque. The bike is fairly chunky though at 187 kilograms. Still, the Dominar is reliable, fun and practical, and what's great is that it can also be used as a tourer. Taking the last spot is the BMW G310 GS. Now of course the G310R is also a brilliant machine, but we think that the GS makes a better buy because of its versatility. Where the 310R is a brilliant street fighter naked, the 310 GS can be used as a daily commuter and for long distance road trips, and every now and then you can take it on the rough stuff as well. Plus, it's the gateway bike to the world of BMW's GS adventure bikes. At a price of rupees 2.95 lakh ex-showroom, the BMW 310 GS is the best ADV you can get your hands on at this price point. It comes with a 312cc single-cylinder engine producing 33.5 brake horsepower and 28 Nm of torque. It is also fairly light at just 170 kilograms. So that tops off our list for the best bikes under rupees 3 lakh. And if any of these bikes excite you, you might want to go ahead and get a test ride and see if it's right for you.